Finn, I keep seeing this codable concept thing when working with Medplum. What exactly is that?
So it's a fire data type. So just like in JavaScript, where you can define fields of type integer, Boolean, or string, Fire defines some resource fields as type codable concept. You're not alone in your confusion because no developer would ever just go invent this data type in a non-healthcare domain. They really just make sense in healthcare as a way to accommodate the ambiguity of healthcare codes by keeping the equivalent codes from different systems all in one place.
What do you mean?
Okay, so healthcare runs on codes, right? Any clinical concept likely has separate codes for insurance billing, research, and regulation. But the different systems use different codes. Think of how one system might represent a country with its 2-character abbreviation, where another system uses the full name.
Okay, that makes sense.
So let's go over an example. Imagine that a patient has diabetes. Hospitals use ICD-10 codes, labs use SNOMED, and your clinic has their own system. The same condition, but totally different codes.
Oh my God, that sounds like a nightmare for interoperability.
Exactly. So that's where codable concepts shine because they let you include all these codes in one place, plus a human readable text. So you get the general name of what you're trying to represent, which goes in a text field, and then an array of different ways to code the idea. Using this example, you would have an ICD-10 code, one for SNOMED, and then you could also include a code for your non-standard system, like a hospital using their own special codes.
So it's like having multiple identifiers for the same concept?
Exactly. One concept, but multiple ways to code it. This way, whether you're integrating with a hospital using SNOMED or a lab using ICD-10 codes, you've got all the data you need.
That's actually pretty clever. So no more loss in translation between systems.
You're getting it. Codable concepts are Fire's way of making medical data speak everyone's language.